YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. Besides this item, if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out, and they'll ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Oh, baby. Here we go. Whoa. BabyTone. Wireless IP camera. Kind of looks like a bear. Pretty cool. Baby care, elder care, pet care, home security, store surveillance, office security, Google App Store, view via phone, two-way audio, motion detection, phone alarm, multiple people viewing so you can share it with your friends and family, cloud storage, digital zoom, auto day and night. Alright, let's take a look. This should be an easy one to set up. So, you know, once you download the app, they're going to send you a confirmation, all that good stuff. Make sure you know your wireless settings. Make sure it's 2.4. Some USBs. Oh, we got some. I can mount this. I got one mounting bracket. Should be the screws in here. Out. There we go. There we go. BabyTone. BabyTone. Got the screws. I'm not gonna mount. The only thing we're gonna use are these. Twist the zip tie. Try and make a quick video for you guys today. Should be alright. And download the MIPC app from the App Store. Shows right there. MIPC, there's cue card. There we go. Okay, so that's easy. Now let's take a look at the camera. Oh lordy. Oh, it's like a cover plant. So they might probably have different colors and different ones to buy for your children. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah, I wish they had this stuff when I was a kid, though. There we go. Oh, you got a long cord, so that's a good thing. I'm just running out of room. It made a pretzel. I made it running out of room right now. Camera installed, so this might just stay in the office for now. There we go. And then you know how to do this. You just gotta plug this in through there. Like that. Bada boom. And just plug it into your socket. And then I'm gonna have to get the tablet. Give me one sec. And this is what the app's gonna look like in the Google Play Store. So it's probably the same thing with the Apple Store, iOS, Android. So MIPC, hit the install. Guys, you want to choose PTZ camera, and then you gotta power this thing on. So right there. There we go. Now the LED light is on. Should do a little dance. Give it a few seconds though. There we go. You can see the sensor right there. Purple, but it's red. So, and then now hit the next Agree. Allow. Scan a QR. Okay. Whoa. It made a boot.
Configure mode.
Okay, I gotta do it this way. Alright, you could choose the sound mode, which is this. It's going to communicate with the network, and then that drop is good sound. So I'm pretty sure.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Bam! We got it going. So that's a good thing. And it should take a few seconds after.
Connecting to the server.
Oh, baby. 10 seconds or less.
Configure successfully.
Yeah, buddy. Now you can name it. It's always a good thing when it works first. The living room. We'll call it. Well, there I am. Now you can have it. I don't need a... You got 4 megapixels. You're going to do SD card, cloud storage. You guys should know how to do the cloud. There's a free trial. Just click on that. And, you know. But yeah, it looks good. I'll flip it this way. Here we go. I gotta go auto day and night. There we go. There's night vision. You'll see it a lot better once you get one. Let's go check out the settings. Hold on one sec. So the settings you can do, you know, pretty much activate your Alexa. Stuff like that. Image quality, OSD, time, text on display. You could have time format. Will be like that, just normal, and save. So that's easy. Now let me check one thing. Hold on. You can also control it. See it moving. Really easy to operate. Like I said, motion detection. It'll send you a notification through your app. You can talk to it. Agree. Allow. And whoa. Okay, won't do that again. That is loud. Screen record. Everything else is good. See how easy that is? So if I can hook it up, you guys can do it. You do smooth, standard or smooth, auto, 4 megapixel. Oops, that light's in the way. But yeah, to me, this looks good. Don't worry about the lines. It won't do that for you. Just recording in the light. I'm really impressed. Great quality. So definitely check them out if you're looking for something for your office, your business, something that's small. Whoa. Okay. So definitely check them out. BabyTone. Whoa. Here we go. Excellent camera. Great cost. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. See you soon.